In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a theme in WordPress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change your site's look and feel safely and confidently. A WordPress theme controls your site's layout, colors, typography, and many design elements, while keeping your content, your pages and posts, intact. So, installing the right theme is a quick way to give your website a fresh, professional appearance without touching code. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center, where you can manage content, settings, and design. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and find Appearance. Hover over it, then click Themes. This page shows the themes you already have installed, including whichever one is currently active on your site. Next, click the Add New button near the top. This opens the theme library, a huge collection of free themes you can install directly from WordPress. You'll see featured, popular, and latest options, along with a search bar. Use the search to find a theme that matches your site's purpose, portfolio, blog, store, or business, and pay attention to ratings, active installations, and when it was last updated. Frequent updates and good reviews are helpful signs of reliability and compatibility. If you've purchased a premium theme elsewhere or downloaded one from a trusted source, click Upload Theme instead. You'll be prompted to choose a file from your computer. Select the theme's zip file exactly as you downloaded it. Don't unzip it. This format is what WordPress expects for a smooth installation. Once you've found or uploaded the theme you want, click Install. WordPress will fetch the files and set everything up. You'll see a brief status message as it completes. If you ever run into an error, it's often due to an incorrect file type or a slow connection. Simply verify you're using the correct zip and try again. When installation finishes, click Activate. This is the moment your site switches over to the new design. Your pages and posts won't change, but the styling will. If you decide later that it's not the right fit, you can return to Appearance, Open Themes, and activate a different one at any time. That's it. You've installed and activated a WordPress theme. To recap, log into your dashboard, go to Appearance and Themes, select Add New, Search, or Upload, then install and activate. With those simple actions, you've given your site a whole new look.